Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF of three numbers. Here I am taking three numbers as 12, 15 and 21. Here we are going to use the prime factorization method or the long division method to find the LCM or HCF of the three numbers. For finding the HCF or LCM of three numbers, we are going to first find the factors of the three numbers. There are two ways to find the LCM and HCF of the three numbers. Either you can find the factors of the three numbers separately and then you can find the LCM and HCF, or you can find the factors of the three numbers together. So we'll be doing both the methods here in this video. So in our first method, we are going to find the factors of all the three numbers separately. So first we'll find the factors of 12. So 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 3 is 6 and then 3 times 1 is 3. Next we'll find the factors of 15. So 3 is the prime factor, so we'll divide 15 by 3. 3 times 5 is 15 and then 5 times 1 is 5. Now we'll find the factors of 21. So 21 is an odd number, so we'll start dividing it by 3. So 3 times 7 is 21 and 7 times 1 is 7. Now we got factors of all the three numbers. So here we are going to write the factors like this. 2 times 3. 15 is 3 times 5 and 21 is 3 times 7. 12 is 2 times 3 times 1. 15 is 3 times 5 times 1 and 21 is 3 times 7 times 1. Now here first we'll find the HCF. HCF is nothing but the product of all the common factors. Product of all the common. So here we see that in all the factors here 3 and 1 are the common factors. So I am going to circle the common factors. So HCF will become 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. So HCF of the three numbers 12, 15 and 21 is 3. Now let's find the LCM of the three numbers. So LCM will be the product of common factor times all the remaining factors. So the LCM will be product of the common factor which is taken once and all the uncommon factors or the rest of the factors. So here we have common factor as 3 and 1 and the rest of the factors are 2 times 2 from 12, 5 from 15 and 7 from 21. So these are all the uncommon or rest of the factors. So our LCM will become 420. So this is how you can find the LCM and HCF of three numbers. Now let's find out the LCM and HCF of the three numbers by a second method where we are going to find the factors of the three numbers by dividing them together. So let's move on to our second method. So now in this method we are going to divide all the three numbers together. So we'll write the three numbers together like this. Now we'll start with the minimum divisor, which is 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. As 15 and 21 are odd numbers, so 2 is not the factor of 15 and 21. So we are going to write 15 and 21 as is. And now we'll take 2 again, cause 6 is even number. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 15 and 21 will be as is. All the 3 numbers are odd, so we'll take 3 as the divisor. So 3 times 1, 3 times 5, and 3 times 7. Now we'll take 5. So this will be 1, 5 times 1, and 7 is not divisible, so we'll write 7 as is. Now the next number is 7. So all the numbers are divided fully. So we'll stop here. So first we'll find the LCM of the 3 numbers. So LCM will be the product of all the factors on the left hand side. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. So this is equal to 420. This is our LCM when we divide the numbers together. Now for finding the HCF, we have to see a common factor which is dividing all the 3 numbers. So here we see that 3 is the factor which is dividing all the 3 numbers. So that will be our common factor, and that is our HCF. So for HCF, you need to find a number or look for a number which can divide all the numbers fully. If there will be 2 numbers here, then we should have taken the product of the 2 numbers to find the HCF. So whatever method is comfortable to you, you can use that method. And I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.